Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a video to explain how to read the codon chart. I know that this stuff is really hard to understand, especially since you have to type out questions. If you have a question to me, I can't answer your questions in person. And I was not joking when I said that this was the hardest topic of the semester, and unfortunately it is the one that we're doing through digital learning. So just bear with me. I'm going to try to make as many videos as possible to help explain things. And then if you're still stuck, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, because that's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to help you. Okay, so these are your codon charts. So this is your codon chart. This is the codon wheel. They both give you the same thing. So what these are for is to find out what amino acids your mRNA will code for. Okay, mRNA is made during transcription, and then during translation, we're trying to read the mRNA and figure out, okay, what's the sequence of amino acids for whatever protein we're trying to make. So let's say we're trying to make a protein for eye color. Okay, so you're going to copy that part of the DNA for that gene into, you're going to make an mRNA molecule from that. That's transcription. It's going to leave the nucleus. The mRNA leaves the nucleus, goes to the ribosome, and then we begin translation. You read the mRNA every 3 bases. Every 3 bases are called a codon, and so you can think of it as like the words of mRNA are codons, okay? So if you are using the top chart, the first base for whatever your codon is, you need to do on the left, second base at the top, third base on the right, okay? So let's say our codon on our mRNA is CUA. CUA is the codon. Okay, the first base of that codon is C. So you would come over here to first base and you would find C. That tells you that it's somewhere in this row. Okay, we've eliminated this row, and this row, and we know that it's somewhere in this row. The second base, you go to the top. The second base is U. Okay, now it's not all 4 of these because we've already figured out the first base is C. So we know CU, where they connect, is this box right here. Okay, so it's in this box right here. Third base, you go over to the right. The third base is A, and again, we're in this box because we started with C. So A, you go over, and that gives you leucine. So leucine would be the amino acid. Okay, that's how you use the codon chart. The codon wheel is a little bit different, but it should give you the same thing. So let's check it out. Let's do CUA on the wheel. With the wheel, you start in the middle and you work your way out. So our first base is C. So we know that it's somewhere in this box, okay? Because you would work your way out, and then you don't go this way, you just go out this way, okay? Second base is U. So you go from C to U. So we know that it's somewhere in here. And then the third base is A, which is right there. It's pretty small. And that gives us leucine. So if you're struggling with how to read these, try using the same one on both, and you should be getting the same amino acid. And so that's one way to check yourself, is if you're like, oh, I don't know if I'm using this correctly, check it on the wheel. If you're using the chart, check it on the wheel. If you're using the wheel, check it on the chart. It's a good way to work things out. So I hope this helps. If you are still confused, please do not hesitate to reach out.